What up guys, this is Mark Davidson aka Hellboy Gaming, isang Pinoy na lumalaban. Isang Pinoy na may karamdaman. Ang kulit. Anyway guys, meron pala tayong pupuntahan na mall show today. And tara, samahan nyo akong mag-get ready with me ulit. Alam niyo yan. Today, buuhin natin yung outfit natin. So as you can see, meron na tayong pants. Itong camouflage pants, yung naisip nating suotin. Now, suot naman tayo ng damit and ng sapatos. Let's go.
Bruh.
Okay, so eto na yung damit natin. Sobrang angas. Thank you, Offset. Okay guys, so eto na yung fit natin. Angas ba? Hindi natin kakalimutan ng ating accessories. Love, pasuot ako ng ating mahiwagang earrings. Angas mo naman.
We're not matching today. Oh, matching ha, hanggang hikaw ah. Yung cross.
Meron na tayong hikaw guys. Thanks to our love. At ang ating pamatay. Siyempre alam mo na, pag Hellboy, hindi natatapos yan sa ganyan. Meron laging pamatay yan. Eto, pang. Ang ating watch. Let's go. Okay, ito yung outfit natin. Punta na tayo sa mall show. Let's go.